What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Eagle IFX. And guys, I just want to give you a quick lesson on actually trading gold. A quick lesson on trading gold and Nasdaq, and maybe how you can actually use some of these lessons to just approach the market, use them to approach the market. All right. So now, just a quick lesson, guys. So for example, you have a gold trade here playing out 7%. There's a Nasdaq trade here that played out around 9.64. So let's go through this. So maybe I'll just show you a breakdown of how to go about this. So what you can do is that maybe let's remove this up to somewhere around there. All right. Or yeah. So yeah, what I want to do is that, no, let me just remove. So let's just remove from there. So I want to start from the daily time frame. So from the daily time frame, you can see we have this market has been on. We had this correction over here, then an impulse move correction, an impulse move correction, impulse move correction, impulse move, something like that. But now we are actually interested in the current price action of what is happening. So even we can even remove all these so that our charts are clean. Let's remove this one. All right, so we have this current price action as at now. So let's remove all this so that it's clear for us to be able to just look at this market like that. All right, so let's remove all this. So you can see here we have this level over here and we have this level over here. All right, so of course I am looking forward to, you can see an impulse move correction, impulse move correction. I'm looking forward to seeing if this market can come down all the way to give me my 3 touches, maybe before I complete this, maybe now before I see a bigger move to the upside. And of course you can see that this can give us a clear W pattern over there. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have this descending structure over here. So we have this market is actually playing out in this level over here. So you can see that that is that. Okay, so we want to see how this market maybe approaches the trend line, or maybe this level over there, or even this low. You see also this low, there's a spike there, that market came all the way to that level over there. So on the 1-hour time frame, you can see clearly that we have also a structure within a structure. We have this type of setup over there. Then if you clone this and bring it over here, then it actually gives us a perspective and give us a structure over there, right? So I believe this is clear for you guys to see. So guys, remember to show some love by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and turning on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's play this out. So you can see how it just goes straight into this level over here. You know, the market spikes to that level over there. So this is a level, maybe if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, this is a level that you could have traded, but maybe it's not very clear. So what you want to see is that we want to see a breakout and a correction, you know, an impulse move, then maybe another impulse move, then our bullish flag, before now we are interested in that move over there. All right, at least we want to see maybe the market moving out of this structure, because remember, this market still has probability of moving down before it moves to the upside. So now let's play this out and see how it goes. So you can see that the market actually, you know, breaks out of our structure, as you can see over there. Then what happened? Then let's see. All right, so it breaks out. Then after breaking out, what happened? It begins to give us what? This little structure over here. So if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, so of course you could have traded this, maybe you are not very sure about that. So look at what happens here. The market gives us this level like that. All right, so there's this structure, and remember, it doesn't matter where, you know, the structure is facing. Let's take this one a bit back. it doesn't matter where it is facing, whether it's facing up or whatever. The point is that if you go back to the 1 hour time frame, the point is that we are coming out of what? We've broken out of this. So we wanted to see a breakout and a retest, then we can be able to, a breakout and a flag, then we can be able now to be interested and trade this. So this was a clear move that maybe could have just entered, let's say maybe around here, you know, then place your stop loss just below, around somewhere around there. Then of course, going back to the 1 hour time frame, you know, this could have been your first target over there, around 5%, but the overall move is we are targeting this level over there, that's around 14%, right? 14%. Okay, and you can see that if you play this one out, you can see that the market just did what? Look, the market just gave us a bigger correction. So you can see what is happening here is this is another bigger correction that, you know, the market is giving to us. So it actually gave us another opportunity to scale in. You could have actually scaled in here also, and then, you know, you just continue holding this, and you can see what is happening so far. That is where we are. So you could have maybe around 7% there about, but the overall move is to see if, you know, this market can just, you know, after this correction, so this can be, you can say this is an impulse move, this is a correction, and this is a what? This is a continuation to the upside. And you can see here, guys, that this is a clear 3 point like we discussed earlier on. You can see that is 1, that is 2, this is our third touch, and our third touch actually broke out of this low over here. So of course, mass psychology to actually catch people on the wrong side, thinking that the market is going to continue going down. Then we broke out. Then after this, we actually broke out from this level and this level, and then we had our flag. Then boom, we moved out. Even if you missed it here, after this, you can see that there was a clear W formation here. You could have entered here, or a double bottom, you could have actually entered here, and still you've been profit. So we're going to observe this and see how it actually plays out. But you can see them, you can see how you can actually just approach this quietly and without any pressure, and just hold it to see how this is going to play out. And actually, this is actually the overall target around 14%. So let's look at Nasdaq, which is also almost the same thing, similar. Look at this. So we had this level over here. So we had these highs over there. All right, so we had this level, we had that, and we had that. So you can see, of course, the market did not really fill this gap over here, but well, I'm actually expecting the gap to be filled. Okay, so and then moving to the 1 hour time frame, look at what happened. As the market was approaching this high, I was looking forward to see if this market is going to approach this high. What happened? The market gave us, did not actually reach, but we had 1, 2, and 3 touches. All right, actually 4 touches. Then what followed was an impulse move, then followed by what? Followed by a flag. So entering here could have been a bit more riskier, because, you know, the market could still, you know, give us this type of structure, you know, before maybe it breaks out, and then now gives us a confirmation that it's now going down for us to trade to this 90% over there. But you can see that this is a clear 1, 2, and 3 touches. We even call these 3 touches. All right, but I'm sure here you'll have been a bit skeptical, though this is some sort of like a double top. You'll have been a bit skeptical. So we want the market to actually commit itself. All right, and looking at this level over here, you see there was no sign that this actually market. So we want at least a clear structure, you know, even though we have this that has been broken out, right? We want a clear, at least we want a clear, you know, some sort of like a flag to tell us that, look, now the market is gonna go to the downside. And look at this. So look at how it begins now to give us a what? Yeah, begins to give us some sort of like a flag over there. Look at that. So we have this level over there, we have that and that. You can go further to the 5 minutes time frame. All right, you can go further to the 5 minutes time frame. So we have this low over here, and another low over here, and maybe to be on the safe side, you want to place your entry below. Once it breaks out, it can now just pick you on its way. Then we want to place your stop loss somewhere above this level over there. Somewhere above over this level over there, so that at least you can be a bit safe. And definitely going back to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that we'll target where we'll target this low as our 90%. So that's a clean almost 10%. And you can see, look at that. You can see how after this point, the market just tags us in and it just plays out all the way. Let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. So you can see the market is still let me play this. So the market did not reach, of course it played out some percentages. It did not completely come all the way to the 90%, but you can see it was a clean around 10%. So this is a clear move. So even though we have this gap over here that has not been filled, and also we have another one over here, the reason why you can trade such setups is once the market moves to the downside, wait for the market to give you a clear confirmation of a flag. Then what you can do is that you can actually set your limits over here, maybe your sell stop over here, then your stop loss above the level, so that if it just is going down, it carries. And you can see here, this you will have missed this move because look at how the market just moved strongly before now you're beginning to see this correction over here. So this is just a simple lesson, guys, that you could have actually you can actually try and backtest this, and it's actually the same because Nasdaq, German 30 and US 30, they all move in the same direction. You know, you can see it was the same case over here. So we were waiting for this market to fill this level. So we had this this high and this high. Of course, we are waiting for this market to come maybe all the way to this level over here before now we are interested in sell. But what happened? There was also another high over here. So the market breaks that and then it leaves some sort of like a gap over here. But now what we want to see is that we want the market to actually commit. All right. So you can see this is just a golden run, just a move to the downside. So what we want is that we want to see a clear structure. The market is communicating towards a low. Guys, I'm ready. Then you can put your entries here. You can put your stop loss over here. Then you can actually now target this low over there. And like going back to the 15 minutes time frame, or maybe let's see, from the 1 hour time frame. So you can see that, look at what happened. Can you see that? So the market begins to give us what? The market begin to give us this type of structure over here. All right, so let's clone this and put it somewhere around here. All right, and then maybe set up our entries below here, and then maybe set our stop loss somewhere around up over there, and then maybe target this level over here around some 5%. Or you can go to the 15 minutes time frame. All right, you can go to the 15 minutes time frame, and then so that it's actually very clear like that. 1, 2, and that level over there. Then we have this level over here. Then we are targeting this low over here. Not targeting, we want the market to pick us over there. So remember, we place our sell stops. All right, so the market can just pick us on its way. And what happened? You can see that actually this market went all the way to almost give us what? Almost give us our third touch over here. All right, so we have 1, 2, and sort of like 3. So then the market just tags you in, and what happened? Look at that. Then going back to the 1 hour time frame, you can see that let's extend this. So going back, so you can see it's a clear flag with how many candlesticks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we want at least a minimum of 6 to 8 candlesticks. And then look at what happened after that. The market just goes. Of course, there was an opportunity here to scale in. All right, but even if you just held onto that, you can see that even though it has not played the complete 6%, but you see you'll have around 4% in floating profits, of which now you could now just adjust your stop loss maybe to around somewhere around here or around here, and then wait to see if this market is going to play out all the way to the downside. So just a quick lesson, guys, of how you can just approach these markets. You can do some back testing levels on these, and then yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think about this quick lesson. But you can see it's a clear an impulse move, a correction, then a continuation. This one looks just like another correction. I feel this market is still gonna continue all the way to the downside, maybe to this level or even to that level over there. So guys, that is me to you, just giving you a quick lessons on how you can actually just look at this market. You can try and do some back testing, test this, and then if it works for you, you can trade it. And guys, yeah, leave us a comment on the comment section below. This is Eagle Eye FX signing out.